Okay, so where are we today? Well, we're in Porthcurno in Cornwall, right down the tip of Cornwall. Wonderful place, loads of history. I mean, look at this. It's not even a nice day actually. Got a little bit of rain in the air. The tide's just turned and it's coming in now. It's about 9:30. But we're going to paddle to a place called Penberth, just sort of that way, all the way around them rocks. That should be good fun. Anyway, let's have a chat on the water. It's quite a big sea, isn't it? Should we go over this end a little bit? Well, you're wet now anyway. Right, go on then, in you go. Keep going. And then just jump straight in. Right, straight on your bum. Go on, quick, because there's a great big wave coming. Quick! Yeah, that worked well, I thought. You're sitting on the back of your seat. I'm going to push you into the wave, all right? Oh. Right, I'll tell you what, let's take it out and do it again. Thank you, mate. Hey, mind your back, mind your back. Well, that was a good start. Right, hold up. Right, we're good.
Thank you.
Oh, help from the locals. Right, we're going along, but let's get out of the way of the waves first. Right. I know, but bear with me because I'm covered in sand. Right, I've got to get it off my paddle, wait. Right, oh, hang on. Right, along. Oh, well, that was exciting, I thought. Oh. Well, we managed to get out on the second go, didn't we? Which was good. Oh, crumbs. Oh. So let's have a quick look behind me. Wow, what a beautiful place, isn't it? Oh, I love the colour of this water, don't you?
Yeah. I mean,
that's a nice little beach, that one. Now the next one up is Penberth. Is that beach, sort of in front to the left. So Porthcurno, really interesting place. 1870, that's where the first transatlantic cables came in, and actually the longest telegraph submarine underwater telegraph cable, the longest one in the world, came there in 1870, all the way from India. It's also somewhere that Marconi tested his wireless radio from. So it's a fantastic place, got a really good museum, got some really interesting Second World War stuff as well. And it was where the training was done for all of the cable and wireless staff as well. All of their apprentices went. There's not a lot there for a young apprentice to do, so I imagine they got a little bit bored with it. Oh, that was a bit swelly, wasn't it? Oh, and we're on our way to Penberth, aren't we? We're going to get trashed on the way in, I reckon, in these waves, don't you?
I've never been so wet.
Oh God! Whoa! Do you know what? They're braking just on their left. Let's go out a bit. Never been so wet. Even swimming, you've never been so wet. Oh yeah, what is that boat? Is it a ferry, do you reckon? Where would it be going to? Isles of Scilly? Oh yeah, Penzance goes out to Scilly, doesn't it? Goes out to the Scillies. No, you can't call them The silly, you can't call them the Scilly Isles. You can call them the Isles of Scilly or Scillies. But apparently they get the ump if you call them the Scilly Isles. You are? Yeah, Minack Theatre. Minack Theatre's amazing, actually. It was the sort of there was a lady that pretty much put her life's work into building that and getting funding for it and all that bit there. And now they do some pretty wonderful plays with the backdrop being the sea, which must be amazing. We're going to have to watch something there at some point. Some Shakespearean thing with lots of weather. I think that'd be good, don't you?
No weather out here.
I think I was reading that a couple of times plays have stopped because there's been a pod of dolphins in the background, and they've sort of everybody's just stopped and watched that instead of watching the play, which must be a nightmare if you're an actor. Sort of like getting heckled by dolphins, upstaged.
Well, it's nothing worse if they probably get into their big lead.
Yeah, you're halfway through Hamlet's soliloquy and all of a sudden dolphins are upstaging you without doing anything. That's dolphins for you. They're quite clever though. I'm hoping the sun will come out at some point. I've booked it. And there is an interesting thing that I was reading about. You see that rock right in front of you that's balanced on the top of all those rocks up there? I mean, I'm pointing, you can't see my pointing obviously. Now that rock up there, apparently in the 1800s, sort of 1850 or something, a load of drunken naval sailors climbed up there and thought it'd be a laugh to push the rock off. So they pushed it off and it landed in the sea, and they all went home drunkenly thinking how clever they were. Well, the locals were so incensed by that they wrote to the Navy. They wrote to the Admiralty in London, and the upshot of that was the captain of the naval guys, the drunken sailors that climbed up there, had to pay out of his own wages to have that rock put back up there again. And they dragged it out of the sea by ropes, and God knows how they carried it up there because it must weigh tons and tons. And anyway, in modern money, it cost him something like about £20,000 or something to make that happen. And I would imagine it was a bit of a black mark on his copybook as well. But yeah, it all happens around here. They're very protective of their rocks around here by the sound of it, so we won't bump into any. So I think what we should try and do is go on the inside of that rock, between them. I think, well, what we'll do first is when we get there, we'll have a look, see what the sea's like, because it is a little bit on the choppy side out here when you get further in. So we'll have a look at that first, and if we have to go around the outside, well, we just do. Is what? Oh yeah, it's cormorant, yeah, flapping its wings. That's wetter than you are, that one. Yeah, so one of these rocks, I think it's the one closest to us, is called Harold. And the one out there that gets covered up when the tides are right in, I bet that's really dodgy for shipping. You wouldn't want to end up on that in your square rigger, would you? Well, I imagine, because Harry is a nickname for the devil, isn't it? As in Old Harry. I think it's a nickname for the devil, just the same as Old Harry Rocks in Dorset. Yeah, I think we'll go through the middle, shall we? I feel we should, because I think it'll be really exciting. It'll be really exciting if we end up upside down, but I don't think we'll be as excited as that. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Anyway, you're not here for show. I'm steering, you're the engine room. That's what you are. You're all my power. Right, yeah. Here for show. Huh, as if. Right, yeah, I think so. I think we should go round to the right. It does look a little bit dicey to the left. Oh. God, yeah, it does look dicey to the left. Don't stop. Oh, there's a cormorant up there looking at us. Thinks we're mad. Hello. He's not sure. Oh yeah, there's two of them. There's probably more around here, I would think. There's loads of them, look. They all think we're mad. That's a great view, isn't it? Look at that. It looks like a castle, doesn't it? It really is. It's all pointy. Yeah, it does. Yeah, definitely hobbits. Something hobbity. What? Hello? Oh, okay. So what's that, number 20? That's crab fishing. So they have two buoys and a line in between them so they can hook it out of the water and pull up their nets full of their netty boxes. What are they called? What do they call them? Baskets, that's the word. Baskets with crabs on in and lobsters. Yeah, it's probably behind us. Seals do that, don't they? They move around all over the place. We've had that before. Tell you what, you can see where the tide comes up around the rock, can't you?
Yeah.
You got the sort of dark bit, and then you got a clean bit. Mind your face. And then you got a clean bit above it where it all gets lashed by the waves, I suppose. Oh look, there's been a bit of a rock fall over there. Look. Should we go and have a look? I feel we should. Let's go and have a look. We might be able to get in there. Wow. There's been some rocks come out of there and fall down there. Yeah. I don't think they can't fall far enough out to hit us on the head though. Anyway, you got that hat on, so you'll be alright. Well, yeah, or a rabbit. Yeah, a rabbit maybe. Maybe it was digging, right, and it pushed on a rock just to get it out of the way. It turned out it was that one there. I bet that made a noise. Wow. That is very impressive, isn't it? Yeah. These great big slabs, eh? Crumbs. To the left. Beautifully done. Try not to end up on the rocks. So hang on a minute, right, so what we got? People. Yes, rocks that look like people. They're giants, that's what they are. That one definitely looks like it's got a hat. Yeah. They got the big square bit and then there's a hat at the top of that one. And the one behind it's looking that way. He's with his wife and she's not very interested. Oh yeah, yes, there's a seal over there. Probably can't see it on the camera, I would think. Just looking up at the rocks. I wonder what they think. You don't find any fish up there, will you? I know. I think it's a grey seal, isn't it? Hello. Oh, it's just seen us. Look round behind us and went, oh God, what's that? What do you think? Should we go through the gap? I feel we should. I think it'd be alright if we time it right, wouldn't it? It'd be a disaster if we time it wrong. But I think it'd be fun. We'll give it a try first. Yeah, we have. Okay, we're off. Oh, hang on. Bit of a dip. Right, we're good. We're through. Yeah, look at that. How cool is that? Oh, you just threw a lump of weed at me. What's this? It's a bootlace. Have it back.
I never saw a thing.
I've got sand up me thing. You've never been so wet in your life. And that was only 30 seconds in. Doing well.
That was fun though.
I am glad you think so. I only bring you here for the fun. Yeah, it is a bit choppy, isn't it? Blimey. Oh, what have we got down here?
A dead end.
Is it? It's another smuggler's cave, do you think? Should we go and have a look? I feel we should go and have a look. Because I think where we're getting to, Penberth, is only just round the corner. Yeah. I think they're herring gulls, aren't they?
There's a rock.
Oh yeah, submerged rock. Yeah, I didn't see that on the charts. Oh, this is quite exciting down here. Might have to reverse out. Sing out if you see any treasure, won't you? Left here by smugglers. Oh, it's all gone down. Yeah. Huh? Wow, look at that. There's a lot of iron in that, isn't there? Must be. Amazing. Yeah. Pretty stirring stuff around here, isn't it? Jellies. I think the lady, when we were coming down, she said she's seen lots of jellies. Oh yeah, look, it's a big one. We've got loads of, blimey, we're going through a, what do they call them, is it a bloom or a flock? It's not a flock, is it? They go through flocks of jellyfish, do you? Yeah, so this is Penberth, little fishing village apparently. It's for, what's the fish? Pilchards. And they used to press them on site to get all the oil out of them and to preserve them. Apparently, I think they preserve better when they've been pressed. I mean, you would, wouldn't you? So yeah, they've still got fishermen here. Oh yeah, lovely little jelly. Yeah, they've still got a small fishing fleet if you want to buy some pilchards. And crabs and whatever. I don't know if they do pilchards anymore, to be fair. Oh, there's loads of them, isn't there? Yeah, some are quite big. I don't know if they're, what sort are they, do we know? That one's an upside down one now. I think they do, I think it's all the crab fishermen now, isn't it? Crabs, lobsters and that kind of thing around here now, rather than your pilchards. Yeah, look at that. They're amazing, aren't they? They just sort of bob around, don't they? It's amazing how they find each other to do whatever they do.
Pick one up, just to...
Yeah. Can't really, you know. Oh, there's a little brown one there, look. That's really cute. You see them quite well over the top of my paddle.
Yeah.
Black-backed gulls. Is that I take it that's a greater black-backed gull because it's a bigger one. These are all juvenile black-backed gulls, I suppose. I don't know if they're herring gulls. I mean, they're all together, aren't they?
Yeah, I mean, he's got that orange.
He's lovely though. Yeah. I mean, it wouldn't be so good if it was pecking you to death, would it? But they are lovely, I think. These gulls, look at them. All sitting on top of a rock. Must get a little bit boring, don't you think? That's the rock, isn't it? That's the rock. From the other direction, looks a bit like Darth Vader's helmet. Righto, we'll have a look on the way back. Oh, alright, alright. Everyone's a critic. Look at that. Yeah, look, but look, when it all swells up, it'll be fine. Ready? This is going to work just right. It is. There's that swelly bit, right. We're washed over. Look at that. How perfect was that? Perfect that was. Just perfect. It's a bit sheltered here, isn't it? Yeah. I'm hoping it'll just rise us up and we'll go straight in. Beautiful. Right, out you get. Just like that. Do you want to give me the rope? Oh, I love this boat. I think it's brilliant. Great, I got ya. Right, you can't go anywhere now. Hurry on, I'm supposed to be getting off of it. Yeah. Oh, grief. Heavens. Marvellous. Yeah, I think so. However, right, ready? Gonna take you out a bit. Push, woman, push. Push for something. Ready, and you're around. Oh. Well, that was a bit chilly. Oh, sorry. Oh, flipping it. Oh my god. Right, anyway, I thought that went quite well. Oh, this is such a laugh. You need to do this. It's got to be smugglers been here in that cave, I bet. Dear me, that was a bit of a blast getting in here. We've got the sun coming out now. How great is that? And that is the coastal path, goes all the way up there. We're going to walk that at some point, right the way round.
Not today.
No, not today. Possibly the day after tomorrow. But we'll see. Wow. Oh, look at that little rock up there. It's just thinking about falling out at some point in the next few hundred years. Amazing. This is what we love. We love coming places where you can't get here any other way apart from by sea. I love that. Oh god. Let me get those out of your way. No! Right. Go on.
I have no grip.
If you can stand on that rock, if you can climb up on it, you can throw yourself in.
You don't understand that I have no grip. Oh.
Right. That's it.
What happens that I'll go in
Now. Do it now. Just do it.
Stop making me laugh.
You're in.
But not in the right angle.
Right.
Oh, this is
Right, well, we're going out. Let me get us some sea legs first. Some sea room. Wait up. Oh, good. Well, that was a lark. I quite enjoyed that. Oh, I'm not in my seat yet. Well, goodbye Cove, Stony Cove. We're going to have to call it Stony Cove from now on. There's a lot of rocks on it. Right, so we're going to head to the headland over there. And see what's around the corner. And then think about heading back for a spot of lunch. A luncheon on the sand. So I suspect when we get round this corner, we're going to have the wind blowing straight across. Yeah, maybe, but I don't know if it's curling around the rocks a bit. Yeah, his little nose sticking up in the air. Like little, they're sort of like dogs, aren't they? Yeah. Look at him. He don't care. No. But I think he's just breathing, not sniffing. Oh, he's gone. Where's he gone? So right, so we'll go round the ragged rocks, like the ragged rascal said. Round the ragged rocks, like the rugged rascal said, and head back across the mouth of the bay, shall we? Oh, we could, yeah, if you want. Through that gap. You're definitely getting more adventurous, aren't you? Right. Marvellous. Running around to the right, shall we? Oh God. Whoa! Hello. What's happening here? Have you? Sand on the Indian nose.
I don't really know. I went in face first.
Yeah.
Covers it up. She's swimming.
Oh, I see, yeah. A bit further down from the top. Yeah. There. Yeah. It's quite nice that we've got a coastal path that goes right the way around now, isn't it? I think it's really good. I do think everything looks better from the water. Sort of generally in life, really.
On a day like this, yes.
It does, doesn't it?
But obviously on a day when it's...
Well, I mean, if it's dreadful, then obviously no, but
Oh, yeah.
it's quite beautiful though today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. They don't just do them in the one colour, do they?
No.
Amazing. Oh, they're quite, when you poke them on the top, they're quite, yeah, quite hard actually. Quite amazing, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're not like the jelly that you put in the fridge, are they? The orange stuff. That seems to be a lot more soft. Yeah, it definitely looks, yeah, like a,
Yeah, it's like the velociraptor.
yeah, some sort of dinosaur looking out that way.
Yeah. It looks like the velociraptor.
Yeah, it does. Yes, it does. Clever girl,
Yeah.
as he said. Just before it ate him.
Well, I think
Marvellous. Oh, there's people over there, look.
well, there's people there.
Yeah, people there, people there, people there.
Up there.
Oh yeah, right up the top of there. That'd be quite a nice place to go. That'd be fun. Yeah, let's turn a bit. Do you know, all those people up there, they'll be looking at us thinking, "God, I wish I was down there doing that. It looks fun." And we're the ones that are doing it. How great is that? Around the outside of this one. Yeah, loving this. This is just brilliant, isn't it? I absolutely love this. All sorts of paddling, I love it. But this in particular today has been brilliant. You definitely see quite a lot of people up there, but it's not packed, is it?
I mean, it's cheap though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is an amazing place though. An outdoor theatre like that. I mean, it's just...
I mean, you're not really going to take kids there, are you? Even though people do.
Yeah, people do.
But, you know,
I think they have all sorts of music sort of things on. I did have a little look last night and there seems to be quite a lot going on this year through the summer. Yeah, and that's the steps that come down all the way through, isn't it? Where that fence is, down below the house. Yeah, they were pretty steep. Right, are we heading in? Lovely. And we're in. That was fun. I really enjoyed that paddle. It was nice, wasn't it? Oh. Whoa, we're in. We made it. Oh God. Oh, it's all gone down my pants. Right. Nah, we're good. Oh, lovely. Take me home. Oh. That was fun.